Hi there, Habib here. In this video I will continue my tutorial about how to create our simple CCTV system for our Unity game. I'm going to create an empty game object right here and I name it CCTV. This empty game object will be a parent of these camera objects. I make them a child. I make them child of this parent object. Then I will create a script here, a script for basically in this video I'm going to create a UI to control which CCTV are we looking from. So I'm creating a script. I call it my CCTV. This script will be responsible for controlling which camera is active for viewing. I don't know how to say it. Hang on, let it compile. Okay, attach this script to this parent object. Oh yeah, I need to create a UI canvas. Let's create a text UI. Whoa, not here, man. I'm going to create, because I already have a canvas here inside this object, I need to create another different canvas. I name it CCTV canvas. Then let me change the UI scale mode, scale with screen size. Okay, and here I need a text. I name it CCTV name, and then I will add two buttons. UI button, I place the button at the bottom of the screen. This one for previous CCTV. Let's set it to 30. I make another one. Ref next. Move it this way. Yeah, somehow like this. And this one, let's change the text to be like this. And the text object CCTV name, I will place it here and change. Hey, it's crashed, man. Alright guys, I place it here and set the alignment to be like this, and increase the font size, change the text color to white, and move it up left. Make it wider. Now we are working with the script, CCTV script. Edit the script, and here we add a public game object. Hang on, not game object, but transform instead. Transform, public transform CCTVs, and here in the start, hang on, public text, cam text. I need to use Unity engine.ui. Then I will add an integer variable in CC current camera. Here I need to add for each loop. For each transform CCTV in CC. Because I cannot use CCTV because I have this class with these names. It's not allowed, so I just type CC, transform CC in CCTVs. I will do that later. For each, let's set this current text cam value to be this way, guys. Current cam, by default I will set its value to be 0, and then after the for each loop, actually I don't need this for each loop. Yeah, we don't need this for each loop. Just forgive me for that. Current cam text dot text, by default I will set the text and yeah, sorry guys, let me bring it back. So here basically we are going to disable all of the CCTV cameras by default except the current camera. The current camera is 0, which means the CCTV index number 0 will be active and the other will be inactive. So here cc dot transform not for each. I'm a bit confused this morning. I know it's not right, but I will do it this way. Num 0 and here num plus plus cc dot transform. I will add an if statement here. If num equals to current cam or not equal. If num not equal to current cam, then here I will this block of code sucks. Let me delete them. Sorry guys, it is in the early of morning and I just woke up and I'm not really in the good mood of doing this, but because yesterday I did not make content, so I forced myself to record this morning. Hey man, here I need to create a function, public void show camera. Yeah, in this show camera function I'm going to make a for loop for int num equal to 0 and num less than, yeah, this one is correct, not for each loop but for loop. No, CCTV num less than CCTV dot count and num plus plus. I have doubt on this, but I will check it later. And here if statement, if num not equal to current cam, then CCTVs with the index of num should be disabled, set active false, else it should make it active true. And here we are showing the camera with this index. We call this function, and this line I move it here. Current cam text dot text should be CCTVs with the index number of current cam dot transform. This can be transform or just game object. Yeah, I will switch it back to game object, and this should be array of the game objects. Man, I messed with everything here. Game object, and this should be array variable CCTV current camera name, like this. And then I'm going to add a function for public void ref camera let me just change it to switch camera. It will take a boolean parameter bool ref, and then here if ref is true, it means we are switching to the next to the previous camera, else we are switching to the next camera. And here if ref is true, if the current cam number is 0, if it is 0, our previous camera will be the last one of our total number of CCTV objects. If current cam is 0, and here let me just add else current cam negative. Here I will type current cam will be the CCTV count -1, else if ref boolean value is false, then we are switching to the next camera. Here if current cam equals to CCTV count -1, else we will do the opposite current cam plus and else current cam will be 0. Then we call this function at the end of the block, show camera. Or maybe we can make it public in current cam. By default value will be 0, and just delete this line. Okay, we go back to Unity editor. We are going to set the references of there is an error. Yeah, guys, I messed up with everything. As I said, this should be list, guys. This should be list like this, list game object CCTV, and then every time I type count this way, it is wrong. It should not have this symbol, so I delete this brackets. What do you call it? Okay, let me go back to Unity editor. Where is my script? Oh, here. Yeah. Current cam text, we set the reference of the text object. It should be this one, and the current cam will be 0. It's fine. And we set up the buttons. Here we add the on click action here. Switch camera. For this one, because it is press button, I uncheck this checkbox. For this one, I need to check the checkbox. Switch camera, and this will be, maybe I should rename the function to make it more understandable. Switch camera to next. Yeah, let's see. Switch camera to next. Yeah, I need to reassign the function. Switch camera to next. Check this one, uncheck. Okay, let's go to, hang on. Yeah, let's play it. We are here in this CCTV. Who is that walking in this corridor? And let's switch to the next camera. Oh man, it's unclickable. And what is the error? Must be non-negative and less than the size of the collection. If current cam pref, okay, I need to debug everything here. Debug.log cam equals to cam at the end. Let me test it again. How long is this recording? Almost half of hour, almost 30 minutes. Let me clear everything, and I will this is awesome. Yeah, I forgot to set the reference of the CCTV camera. Hey, I forgot what this one, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one caused the problem. Now let me try it again. I forgot to set the reference to this camera. Okay, let me click the, I'm going to click this next button. Yeah, it is working now. This one is not okay. Current cam 0, then current cam 4. Current cam 4, and then an error happened. An error happened when I pressed the pref button. False here. Current cam on. This should be plus plus, and this one should be minus minus. Minus minus. Minus or minus? Let me just try it again. This time it should be correct. Take a look at this console window. I click next, current cam 0, then current cam 4. It's not correct because I'm clicking this next button. It should be 1, not 4. See that? Next, if camera equals to 0, let me undo everything and switch it this way. Next, current cam. As I said, I messed up with everything since the beginning, and this is the worst of tutorial ever. Current cam here. If current cam 0, here current cam it should be next, because I said next. It cannot be pref, it should be next. But what's making me confused? If next is true, switch cam current cam 0, else current cam plus plus. Else if current cam is 0, and else now that everything should be correct. Yep. Next camera, yeah, it's correct now. 0, then 1. Next camera, 1, then 2. If I switch back to previous camera, 2, then 2. Come on, previous camera, current cam 1, then current cam 0. Previous camera, current cam 0, then current cam 4. Current cam 4, then 3. 3 and 2. 2 then 1. 1 then 0, and so on. And for the next camera, current cam 3 and then current cam 4. Current cam 4, then current cam 0. Oh man. Okay guys, thank you if you are watching this silly tutorial. And anyway, we are done with making this CCTV UI. We can switch next. We can switch the camera to the previous and the next camera to see what is happening on this area, who is working there. Yeah, guys, that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye bye, see you next time.